writing this novel was kind of challenging in every way. I bumped into different challenges when it came to telling the story, telling what happened to these people. And one of the challenges was about dancing. Maria, as you mentioned, Maria meets this stranger woman, Melanie, who invites her as a guest to her own apartment. Sunnuntaina lähdin. Minun oli tarkoitus vain mennä kotimatkalla rantaan katsomaan laivoja, mutta ostinkin lipun. Aamulla hoidin jumalanpalveluksen niin kuin kuuluu. Olin saarnavuorossa, lausuin seurakunnalle ajankohtaan sopivia sanoja Jeesuksen ylösnousemuksen jälkeisistä päivistä. When my editor called me when I was in labor. I was giving birth to Marta, and I didn't answer, but my boyfriend answered, and he said that we are here in Kätilöopisto in hospital, and my editor said that that's nice to know, but Riikka has a deadline. So